Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I decided to exit the house because my grandmother is currently there because I'm planning to buy her a refrigerator.
I want you to stay.
Exciting for her 78th birthday, which was in June. Originally the plan was to buy her for her birthday, but then the finances weren't financing. So now I have the opportunity to do it now. And no, actually initially the plan was to buy groceries with the same amount of a standard fridge would cost. So like, groceries, I want something that's long lasting, if that makes sense. Groceries is gonna finish now and then it's over, finished. Then I'll buy more groceries. Like for me, that isn't like a significant sentimental value type of thing. So it's like, I'm gonna buy a fridge because the old fridge, we've had it since I think when I was in primary, if I'm not mistaken, if not like by beginning years of high school. It's like, doesn't make sense for him to buy groceries. So let me buy a fridge because this fridge has been here. And yeah, so I got the chance to do it now. And when I arrived yesterday, we were just catching up on my trip to Mexico and whatever. And guess what? What are the odds? But she was like, my fridge is broken. I saw me, so the light doesn't switch on. It no longer does a woo sound it does when it's taking a break from operating the whole day. So basically now she has to use one of her daughter's fridges to store her meat products, her milk, dairy products that need to go in the fridge, stuff like that. She needs to use her daughter's fridge because she doesn't have a fridge anymore. And I'm like, this is literally crazy because I'm here to surprise her with a new fridge and her fridge ends up breaking. So like, this is the perfect timing for me to gift her this. But now I'm still waiting for my money to reflect in my account so I can go, and can't wait to surprise her and see the smile on her face. I'm really excited to see her. This is what I've always wanted to do. When you grow up in a family where you guys struggle to make ends meet and everything just feels hard, and you just want to grow up so that you can give your family like somewhat of a better life. And I feel like this is one of the very first steps that I'm taking into achieving that dream of mine that I have. So I love my grandmother so much, love her so much, love her to death. And me buying her a fridge is the first of many, literally is the first of many. Also heard that her kettle broke, so I'm gonna add in a kettle. It wasn't in the budget, but it's my grandmother and I want to see her happy and just living a much simpler life. So I'm gonna add in a kettle as well. I was also thinking of a microwave, but I'm like, I'm doing too much. Let me just pace myself for now. Let me just buy the things that are currently broken. The microwave is still working, so that's fine. We can keep that on the list of things that I can still buy in the future. But for now, gift fridge and the kettle. So hopefully the money reflects in the next hour or two, because I'm not gonna wait for 5. I'm definitely gonna wait for 5. No. But even if it does reflect at 5, that's fine. There's always tomorrow. But as long as I get to the fridge before I leave for Joburg again, get sharp. So I decided to vlog because I want to take you guys on this journey of buying the fridge with my grandmother. And I can't wait for you guys to see the smile on her face when the fridge gets delivered. But yeah, so I need to start organizing a delivery bakkie and to find one, because I don't think Game is gonna deliver, but we'll see. So for now, let me love and leave you guys, and let's just hope my money reflects soon so that I have time to really go through the fridge I really want to buy for her. I have one in mind, but we shall see. Period. All right, guys, catch you later. Can't wait for you guys to see the smile on her face. I'm so excited. Okay, bye. Mwah. Guys, so the money's in. I'm about to hit the shower, and then we are on our way to game where my mother works, so she can assist in getting the fridge ready. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's go get my grandmother a new fridge. But I'm keeping very tight-lipped. The only person who knows in the house is me and my baby brother. And one thing about my baby brother, he will blab. So I told him, keep quiet, zip it. My cousin was going to tag along, but I told him I'm going to go buy new shoes because I don't want him to go and blab as well because he's a blabber. So I told him I'm going to go buy new shoes. But we all know what I'm going to go buy. I might even buy new shoes though, who knows? But for now, let me go shower and I'll catch you guys at Springs Mall. Hey guys, so I just got to game and I thought you are the there, but then this is 5.8 and I'm looking at the fridges and the one that I came here for, it's not this one, it's this one on this side, but now it's small, eh? There's my mother, y'all. But ingane le na le phela bayashare nolanga nompilo.
Hello. Ne.
You 5.4.
Yeah.
You play 5k. What are they 5k you play?
Ingane.
Ingane kakhulu. Guys, I don't know. I want the big one. Excuse. You lay?
Yeah.
You lay 5k bile a high sense. I see.
How? Ngiphathe kangalotho mina. Ngihambe kanje. Hayi ayikho enye. Uyibonile?
Online or online 5k person store iyahluka. Yeah.
Asasunda namateki mfethu. Sho. Thumela ba?
Uba. No ngiyavloga.
Wona bathi semalini kanti?
I don't mind adding.
Why i-budget yakho mayini?
It was originally 5k, but angifuni lencane, ngifuna engaka.
Nayi 5.7.
Yeah.
5.8.
Bayifaka inyama yabo. No, mara ufaka sisephukile manje. Sebayafaka inyama yabo kunani. Manjalo impela baphume ebusuku mabafuna upheka inyama bayekhona. So I'm like, no. Yes. Hayi ngithatha 25k. Eh?
Bathi right mina brand.
In media.
Yeah. Ngibuzile umuntu osebenza la. Amaringani pizza yakho ne?
Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to our episode.
Manje ucabanga le yaba kubantu.
Hello.
Yeah?
Yuzile 5.2 player.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay guys, I think we've decided on a fridge. I'm not gonna buy this one. It's too small. But let's go. I think we've decided. Now I just need to get the people to deliver.
Mama. We shawarma place get bad fake so.
Oh,
Pero wena ngiyakwazi wena. Yeah.
in that or
Uno beku ugqoke iziko samta nami.
Yeah, mama, please place get. Nayenza.
Ayidali leso. Ithe transport.
not yet. Ngisazoya. Khona ngizomfonela manje.
Nama ngani?
But nemoto.
Ngithola.
Mina.
Sona la license.
Yes.
Uzokuboshwe uhamba ney'ngane.
Ukhona nje ulami license.
Nelicense?
Yeah. Okay, I think we've decided on a fridge.
But kuboshwa wena kuboshwa ibhangi. Ulanga kayi-drive.
Okay guys, let me show you guys inside. Let's go pay. Let's go pay. Okay, I just bought the fridge, but now the Paki people are not picking up. So I'll keep on trying them until I get a hold of them, because we need to deliver this fridge today. Today. But let's go. Hey guys, so we just purchased the fridge. I'm currently looking for the small kids. Don't know where they disappeared to in the shop, but now I'm really struggling rather, to get a Paki that's gonna take the fridge. I'm so worried. I should have organized the Paki before purchasing, but it's whatever. Things are gonna pull through, and when they do, my grand is gonna be excited. Otherwise, let's go deliver her fridge. Okay, I think we've just found them. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys at the receiving drop off, whatever it's called, from Dane when I'm vlogging. Them unloading the fridge into the Paki. See you guys then. Guys, I'm at the kettle section and I'm trying to decide whether I should buy a glass kettle or the plastic ones. But I would think the glass kettle is that there's kids that stay with my grandmother and I feel like they're gonna break it. So it doesn't make sense to buy a glass kettle unless if she stayed alone or with adults. So it doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna go with a plastic one. I don't know. Help me choose. But then the plastic ones are so... I don't like them. I really don't like them. What am I gonna do? What am I genuinely gonna do? But this looks cute, but then this is not cordless. I want a cordless one. I don't want that one that's linked to the kettle itself, because those ones are the ones that easily break. Let me just close my eyes and pick. That way. But this is nice, hey? But no, I'm gonna pick a plastic one. Well, one that doesn't have a glass. Oh, maybe a silver one. This is silver, stainless steel. I don't know. I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick. Okay, right, guys, I have to catch you guys on the flip side. The driver's almost here. Finally got a driver after fighting for my life. But let's get that fridge delivered. Okay. All right, guys, I decided on a kettle, stainless steel. It looks cute, it's small, nice and compact. Just waiting for my mom so I can get this card. And it's on nepotism. But yeah. So I should actually wrap those. Actually the fridge itself, wrap those and be like, girl, back your fridge and a gazelle. End up. Alright guys. There's the matriarch. And it's a nepotism. You pingan. Sharp. Okay. Ipaki sendleleni. Ipaki zolanda fridge sendleleni. So let's go. And yeah, so excited, guys. But he's on the way. I'm about to pay for the kettle, and really excited to see that smile, because I worked hard for that smile. Then the next person I buy for is my mom. Not sure what yet. Does she ever need anything? No. She's a working hard. But yeah. I'm good now. This is my baby brother, y'all. Say hi.
Hi.
So we just uploaded the fridge, as you can see. We're about to convoy back to the house. And I'm thinking of coming back again because I haven't seen my cousin yet. We're supposed to pass by, but then my baby brother, being the person that he is, started gallivanting the mall. So we lost a couple of minutes that we could have spent looking for my cousin. Not looking for my cousin, going to my cousin saying hi. So we're gonna come back and say hi, and then we're gonna get my grandmother something to eat. But yeah, otherwise the driver's just loading, and then we're on our way. We're on our way to go drop off the fridge for my gran and the kettle, which is in the car. So let's go. Yeah, so weird it's guys. So we decided to go back. That is
Well, ma. You. Sisanda.
yeah.
Sikuan. Yes, I want. Yo. Hey, cool.
3078.
1978. Thank you very much, my dear grandson. God bless you. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. But ukudala utelula. Ukudala utelula nje into enjeke.
Awusebenzile bro.
Hawu.
Awusebenzile.
Hawu.
Sebenze njengendoda.
Oh, Nkulunkulu, what a surprise. You.
Hayi birthday gogo.
Thank you very much. Oh, Thixo wami.
Indaba
Langa.
yini?
Le bengazi njengawo ukuthi iphukile naye, so ngathi sa-add nalo.
Sanda nithave. Nkulunkulu wami. Hayi. Ungaphelwa amandla ami. Nkulunkulu busisa lapho Thixo wami lesandla sithathe khona. Busisa Thixo wami oyingcwele. Busisa lo mntwana wangipha yena Nkulunkulu.
Sisanda wena.
Uthixo.
Hawu siyabonga.
Thixo wami.
Siyabonga.
Sisempela dibilizela.
Yo, uNkulunkulu akubusise Sisanda yo.
Ngiyabonga.
Akwandisele uNkulunkulu yo Sisanda.
Nkulunkulu.
Ziningi ziyazibusisa.
Eziningi.
Ziningi ziyazibusisa siyabonga.
Ngilonga lunywa isandla ngize ngibuza kubani ukuthi kodwa imali ngizoyithathaphi. Ngikho. Ulanga.
It's the end of the day, and we just finished putting in the fridge. Well, not now, but like 2 hours ago. Had dinner, and I'm about to head to sleep soon because I'm just tired. It's been a long day of adulting. It's not easy. Anyone who told you that adulting is easy lied to you. Stay young, kids. That's my advice. But no, seeing that smile is really worth it. There were a lot of tears. A lot of friends congratulated me, and I appreciate all of you guys. And I just want to say thank you for joining me on today's adventure. It was really fun taking you guys with. And yeah, man, just something very special that I just wanted to share with everyone. And you guys got to see my grand really happy. And I feel like I've done my part for now until I can do more in the future, which I hope I can. But for now, I'm really glad that I was able to do the small thing and see her happy. To my grandmother, happy 78th birthday. And I wish you many more years to come so that you can see your grandkids' success. We love you, always love you, and you're the best. For now, good night, and thank you guys.